Hi guys, today we are going to learn the basic font style with pencil. For reference I am showing with pen, but it is not necessary for you all to know how to do it with pen. This is the first letter A. I am showing you with pen so that you know what exactly is happening. This is the fat line, this is thin line, this is thin line, this is fat line, this is fat, again this is thin. In calligraphy normally we don't say it's a letter, we say it's thin line, fat line, thin line. With pencil I'm going to do, and as you know it will not make an effect if I do it here. I need at least 5 to 6 lines, so I am doing it here. This is a fat line, then this is a thin line, fat line again, then a thin line, and then in between a fat sleeping line. You know you are supposed to seal the edges. So this is A. I'll show you again, just pay attention. In breakup I'm showing you this is fat line, then you go up as a thin line, then come down as a fat line, then again go up as a thin line. So, and in between there is a sleeping line, fat one. So A, last for the last time, fat, thin, again fat and thin here, and seal the edges. So this is A in pencil style. I have used less lines, so it is going like this, otherwise it will come exactly like this, straight. Now we move on towards the next letter, and which is B. B is written like this. This is thin line, this is fat line, this is thin line. These two are parallel to each other, these both are thin lines, these are fat lines. This is fat sleeping line, and it always goes from here to here, left to right, and it cannot be opposite. Now with pencil just see, this is a thin line, come down, fat line, then this is again a thin line, curve, thin line, curve, and this is going to be from this side to this side. So wherever here it is not required, otherwise wherever required seal the edges. Once again I'll show you the breakup, then you all can form thin line, fat line. Now just see how I am moving, thin and here. So I hope you all can see the breakup clearly. Then we move to the next letter, which is letter C. C is done like this. Now just see how I am doing C. Just think you are doing C and it will come. C has a thin line here. If you can see, C has a thin line here. If you are going to do it like this, then the thin line will come down, but we want the thin line up. So you have to do is keep your pencil like this and then make a C and seal the edge. So the C is going to be like this. Then we move towards the next letter, which is letter D. So the last letter which we are going to take for today is letter D. This is thin line, curve, then a fat line, then a thin line, curve, thin, and again like B from here to here, the sleeping line. Now the same thing I'll show you in pencil. First is the standing line, then it's going to be a thin curve, then it's going to be again a thin, curve thin, and here you end with a sleeping line. So basically seal this edge, it becomes a D. This is the last letter for today.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make. Thank you for watching.